Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Luigi in Super Mario World. To begin, navigate to the File Select screen. Once there, highlight your desired save slot. Now, here's the key. Hold down both the L and R buttons on your controller at the same time. While still holding them, press the button to confirm your selection. You'll notice Mario's icon transform into Luigi, ready for adventure. Luigi brings some distinct advantages to your gameplay. He can jump significantly higher than Mario, reaching platforms that might be just out of Mario's grasp. While his running speed is a touch slower, his unique flutter jump, activated by holding the jump button, allows for extended airtime, helping you clear wide gaps. Be mindful, though, as he slides a bit further when coming to a stop. When it comes to power-ups, Luigi utilizes the same fantastic items as Mario. Grab a cape feather to soar through the skies, performing a powerful spin attack upon landing. The Fire Flower transforms him into Fire Luigi, enabling him to hurl fiery projectiles at enemies. And yes, your trusty dinosaur companion, Yoshi, is just as happy to carry Luigi through the levels, providing extra reach and protection. To truly master Luigi, practice his flutter jump. It's invaluable for reaching secret areas and crossing large chasms. Remember his higher jump arc when navigating tight spaces, as you might overshoot platforms initially. His slightly longer slide can be used to your advantage for quick stops or to slide under low obstacles. Embrace his unique movement to discover new strategies and hidden paths throughout Dinosaur Land.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.